Hey Tech Fam, Google just dropped a bombshell. Google Assistant done. Gemini in. That's right, your trusty voice buddy's getting a major AI glow up. Stick around to find out what's changing and why it's a big deal. Today, we're diving into Google's latest move. As of March 2025, Google's phasing out Assistant and rolling in Gemini, their new shiny AI. This isn't just a name swap, it's a total rethink of how we interact with our devices. So what's the scoop? Let's break it down. First off, Gemini is taking over your phone, tablet, car, watch, even your smart home gear like speakers and TV. Google says this shift starts in the coming months, and by late 2025, Assistant will be history on most devices. Why? Gemini's generative AI is next level. It's not just about setting timers or playing music anymore. This thing can chat with you like a friend, dig deep into research, and even handle multi-step tasks across apps like Gmail or Spotify. Oh, and older devices, like anything before Android 10 or with less than 2 GB of RAM, they're sticking with Assistant for now. Now let's talk pros and cons. The good. Gemini's smarter, way smarter. Imagine asking it to summarize your emails or plan your day, and it just gets you. It's already live in over 40 languages and 200 countries, so it's global ready. The bad, it's not perfect yet. Some folks say it struggles with basics Assistant nailed, like quick reminders or smart home controls. Google is working on it, but this transition might feel bumpy. Think of it like trading your reliable old car for a flashy new one that's still learning the road. So, why should you care? This isn't just Google flexing, it's a sign of where tech's headed. AI's moving from do this commands to think with me conversations. Gemini's the future Google's betting on, and it's already on new phones like the Pixel 9. Whether you're a tech geek or just someone who yells, "Hey Google," at your speaker, this shift's gonna change how you roll. Are we losing a classic or gaining a game changer? That's the question. Honestly, I'm torn. I loved Assistant simplicity, but Gemini's potential's wild. What about you? Are you hyped for this AI upgrade, or sticking to the old ways as long as you can? Drop your thoughts in the comments.